Hello and welcome back. And today we'll be talking about the tools that are being used in Adobe Premiere Pro. And as you can see, they are here at the bottom right side of the work area. And in case you cannot see those tools in your work area, all you have to do is go to Windows and then Windows and check that tools over there. And okay, let's start to talk about these tools. And as you can see, as I can hover my mouse over those tools, it is telling me the name of that tool with the shortcut used in that tool. As you can see, this is the selection tool and the shortcut is letter V as in victory. And this is actually the default selected tool. If you're not clicking anything, it normally selects that tool already. And this tool is used to select any clip like that, and it is also used to trim the clips if you want. If you hover your mouse at the end of the clip, you can drag it to trim it or even extend it by dragging it over there, and even from the beginning of the clip, so whatever you want. Okay, and the next tool that I want to talk about is the track selection tool. And as you can see, the shortcut is letter A. But for the lower version, like the 1.5 and 6.0 and 2.0, the shortcut actually is letter M. But they started to change that shortcut in the CS3 version. This tool is used to select the track, like let's go again and select the selection tool. If I want to choose all this clip over there, I cannot do that with the selection tool, right? But if I will be using this track tool, I can move them all together, as you can see, like that. So that's cool, right? The problem is that, for example, we will be placing another video clip at the top. I mean at the video track number 2. Let's give more area for our timeline here. Let's say, for example, I place this video on top of this clips like that, and let's bring in one more, this one here. Alright, and if I wanted to move everything to the right, and I will be using my track selection tool, I will be choosing only one video track. But if I will press shift together with that track selection tool, as you can see, the arrows became 2, and as soon as I click and drag, everything follows. So that's the way to do it. If you are moving only one track, then you can just choose the track selection tool and click and drag. But if you will be moving everything and you want everything to follow, all you have to do is press shift and then click and drag. Alright, so that's all about the track selection tool. Let me delete all that and let's return our timeline like that. Alright, I will not be talking about everything else here because in reality you don't need to use everything, all of this tool in the video editing. Let me proceed to this rate stretch. It is used actually to stretch a clip, like it will make some slow motion to the video clips because it will be stretching it. As you can see a while ago, this is like that, but once I stretch, it says it's 62.61%. It means it made the clip slower than the normal, which is 100%. And another tool is the razor tool. This is as you can see, the icon is blade, and this is used to cut a clip. Like for example, if you want to cut this clip like that, and then go again to selection tool, and then you can separate them. And for the other tools, basically I'm not that much in using them. Sometimes I use this slide tool in fixing this, in fixing some cuts sometimes. For example, if I mistakenly place the cut over there and I wanted to go here, I can use this slide tool to slide the cut like that, and the shortcut is U. And for this rolling edit, ripple edit, and slip tool, I'm not really so much in using them. By the way, they are just used to you know to change the place of the cut like that. And this ripple edit is also used to fix a cut, and the other clip will follow immediately, although you can actually do that with your selection tool alone. As I said before, that you can press Control while clicking and dragging, and that will follow. So that's the reason why I'm not using those other tools, because I can do their job by pressing Control using the selection tool already. And for the hand tool, pen tool, and zoom tool, I'm also not that much in using them, because in zooming, you can choose that and click if you want to zoom out, but basically I'm not doing that because the shortcut for that is the minus and plus key in the keyboard. If you press the minus key, it will zoom it in, and if you want to zoom it out, just press plus, and there you go. So basically those are the tools that are being used in editing in Adobe Premiere. So thanks for watching.